What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I had a request about an update video on the cotyledon pendens that I had done the propagation some time back. I had put in some cuttings and this is how they tend to look. Now of course I have done some cuttings over here and I have given it off. I had sold a couple of succulents last year. This year I'm not very sure if I'm going to be selling succulents, and I had another set on this side, the right side. I also sold that and I had done some cuttings. So this is how they look like. They propagate very well with stem cuttings, but they do take a very long time to grow. But once they are settled, that's when they start growing really well. So it will take quite some time, probably 3 to 4 months or 4 to 5 months, again depending upon your environment and climate. It takes a while for them to get adjusted, but once they're completely comfortable in their spot, that's when they start to grow quite well. The stress colors are missing because there was hardly any sun, but very little of that stress color on these part of the leaves, but overall it is more on the green side. So that is all about this beautiful species of cotyledon. I think I should get some more varieties of these. They look absolutely stunning. If you want to know the full care tips video, I'll put the link in the description below. You can check it out. So that was all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.